Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX. This time, we're heading to the breathtaking landscapes of East Africa. Get ready to be amazed by pristine beaches, lush forests, and vibrant cultures. Let's get this adventure started. First up, we're whisked away to the Comoros Islands, an archipelago nestled in the Indian Ocean. Picture this: turquoise waters gently lapping against volcanic shores, the air thick with the scent of exotic spices. Once you're there, get ready for an adventure that'll cost you around 50,000 Comorian francs. That's about $120. Pack light clothing, sunscreen, and snorkeling gear. You won't believe the underwater world waiting for you. Next, we're off to Lamu Island, a place where time seems to stand still. Imagine strolling through ancient stone towns, their narrow streets echoing with the sounds of centuries past. To experience this magical place, hop on a flight to Manda Airport, which should cost you around 10,000 Kenyan shillings, or about $90. Pack light clothing, a hat, and comfy walking shoes because you'll want to wander these enchanting streets all day long. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into an unforgettable adventure. Get ready to experience the magic and wonder of one of Uganda's hidden gems. Our next stop is the enchanting Lake Bunyonyi in Uganda, a place where tranquility meets breathtaking beauty. This serene oasis is known for its calm waters and stunning landscapes that will leave you in awe. Imagine lush green hills plunging into the shimmering waters of a lake dotted with mystical islands. Each island has its own unique story and charm, making it a perfect spot for exploration and relaxation. To reach this magical spot, you can easily drive from the nearby town of Kabale, which should cost you around 200,000 Ugandan shillings, or about $55. The scenic drive itself is an adventure, offering picturesque views of the countryside. Pack some warm clothing for those chilly evenings, your camera to capture the stunning vistas, and your hiking boots because we're going to explore those lush hills. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking to unwind, Lake Bunyonyi has something for everyone. Get ready for a sensory overload, folks, because we're heading to Zanzibar, the Spice Island. Imagine strolling through bustling markets, the air thick with the aroma of cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg. To experience this exotic paradise, you'll want to fly into Abid Amani Karume International Airport. Pack your beachwear, sunscreen, and a hat to keep you cool. Plan to spend a good 2 to 3 days exploring this island paradise. You'll need it. Get ready for an unforgettable wildlife encounter as we venture into Nyungwe Forest, a verdant paradise in Rwanda. Imagine trekking through dense rainforest, the air alive with the calls of exotic birds and the rustling of leaves as primates swing through the canopy above. To reach this magical forest, you can easily drive from Kigali, Rwanda's vibrant capital city. Remember to pack your hiking boots, rain gear just in case, and binoculars for spotting those elusive primates. Get ready to conquer new heights as we embark on an epic journey to Mount Elgon, a majestic volcano straddling the border of Uganda and Kenya. This natural wonder is one of the oldest and largest solitary volcanoes in East Africa. Imagine standing on the rim of an extinct volcano, gazing out at the sprawling plains below. The breathtaking views stretch as far as the eye can see, offering a sense of tranquility and awe. To reach this natural wonder, you can drive from the nearby town of Mbale in Uganda. Pack your hiking gear, warm clothing for those chilly mountain evenings, and be prepared for an adventure of a lifetime. Don't forget your camera to capture all the stunning scenery. Every moment on Mount Elgon is a memory waiting to be made. Get ready to escape to paradise as we set sail for Mafia Island, a hidden gem off the coast of Tanzania. This island is a sanctuary of natural beauty and serenity, waiting to be discovered by those seeking an unspoiled retreat. Imagine pristine beaches lapped by turquoise waters, colorful coral reefs teeming with marine life, and a sense of tranquility that will wash over you like a warm wave. The island's untouched beauty offers a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. To reach this secluded paradise, you can hop on a flight to Mafia Island Airport. The journey itself is an adventure, offering breathtaking aerial views of the island's lush landscapes and sparkling waters. Pack your beachwear, snorkeling gear, and sunscreen to protect you from those tropical rays. Whether you're planning to relax on the beach or explore the underwater wonders, Mafia Island promises an unforgettable experience. And there you have it, folks. 7 incredible hidden gems in East Africa just waiting to be explored. From pristine beaches and lush forests to vibrant cultures and unforgettable wildlife encounters, East Africa has something for everyone. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy, VueX.